So this is what's happening to this 2000 Nissan Xterra. It's running rough. As you can see, the RPMs is only about 500. It should be about 750, 800. And it's not even warmed up to full temperature. And I'm checking live data here, but I'm not going to get good results because it's not showing anything on here. Ooh, come on. There we go. So right there, both of the fuel systems, I guess that's bank 1 and bank 2, are in closed loop. My load percentage is flip-flopping. Engine coolant temperature is only 147, but you can see my short terms are all over the place. So I'm trying to figure out, come on, where did you go? Let's see. Damn stupid glare. Alright, let's try this. Come on. Trying to get a good picture of here. Okay. Short term. Yeah, short term fuel trim 2, 20 minus 25. I mean, it's running crappy. It's not even throwing a check engine code. My map is showing, well, you can see it's going 9.710. RPMs are flopping all over the place. Spark Advance is actually trying to keep up. Incoming air temperature, intake air temperature is 111. I guess that's the amount of air. Let's see. Here's my O2 sensor, bank 1. Let's see, bank 1, sensor 1. Voltage is going up and down between 0.1 and 0.9 like it's supposed to. But sensor 1, bank 2, bank 1, sensor 2 is at 0.94 and staying there. But I think it's because of what's going on. I don't think necessarily the sensor's bad. It's just that it's probably trying to keep up. Let's see. So there's a sensor, bank 2 sensor 1 is at 0.6, flip-flopping. And then bank 2 sensor 2 is at 0.87, which means it's running rich. I guess it's trying to compensate for whatever's going on. And unfortunately, right now the RPM is about 500. And you can see that it sounds ridiculous. Let's see if we can. So if anybody has any ideas, what could be possibly some issues on this 2000 Xterra and why it's running like this, please give me a heads up. I just changed bank 2 downstream sensor, O2 sensor is brand new. And because before, that sensor actually is over here. And right here on the top, there was a crack right there. And you can see it. The crack that goes all the way around. Okay. So it was pegging this one out. Like it was like 1.275 volts. Which it should only read like, 0.9, 1 max. But as you can see, the truck's still running. It's, like I said, it's warmed up. I did get a code the other day when I was on the road and it broke down on me. It gave me a vent valve code, and that was it. No random misfire, no nothing. So the next thing I'm going to check is I need to figure out what my fuel pressures are. once it's warmed up, or before it's warmed up, and then once it's warmed up, I need to figure it out what it is, because maybe my fuel filter is bad, or my fuel pump's starting to go. I don't know. I mean, right now it's running, but it's not exactly in the limp mode, because that's different. It says limp mode. I think it's it's a safety thing where the vehicle would go into, just to try to save from having major problems. So my map sensor is right here. If I unplug that, it will definitely stall. It doesn't like run into the default mode, which I've seen a lot of other trucks do. Scanner Danner does that test sometimes, where I think he unplugs this to see if it'll go back to factory default mode. But so far this one is running, but you can see it's vibrating because it's not a smooth idle. Throttle position sensor, it doesn't throw code for that either. So I don't know what's going on. Maybe you guys out there can give me some pointers on what to check next on this. Alright, thanks guys.